Hi, in this video we're going to learn about data table of what if analysis feature, and this is the data set. We have a t-shirt price, that is unit price, quantity sold, and revenue is just the multiplication of these two. And I have the same formula in this section, this T3. And now I want to generate a scenario that if the price ranges like this in $5 increment, 10, 15, 20, 25, and the quantity sold increment in 50 units, then what is the revenue for this kind of scenario? Like, 50 units at $10, 50 units at $15, and so on. And if you are using Microsoft 365, then you can just do this using just simple multiplication like this, like this. Okay, and you don't need to do anything else. This is done. Okay. But if you are using older version, then you do have the feature what if analysis, and let's see what you can do. So before doing that, you need to put the formula on the top left cell and then select this region. Okay, and then use what if analysis data table. This row input cell basically that this US dollar. Okay, so that is t-shirt price, and column input cell is quantity cell. And if you run this, now you can see that we do have this formula, that table B2 and V3, and then you have this curly braces that is for array formula. Okay, so that's it. And if you have Excel 365, Microsoft 365, then as I showed you earlier, then you can just do this, and let's see if the value is same or not. And let's see the value, and this is true. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. Have a good day.